Welcome back, guys. It's the TightWad, and today I'm going to show you the best way to fill a hole in your lawn. You can see the grass is greening up here in Georgia, and this is the best time of year to fill in holes or try to level your lawn because the grass is going to cover it up super quick. And a lot of people's first instinct would just be to pour dirt in this hole. It's about 4 to 6 inches deep in the center. You can see that the grass is longer here because the mower won't cut it. And the reason is probably because there's a tree stump under here that is slowly rotting away and decomposing and causing the ground to sink, because I've filled this in before. So this is the second time I'm going to be doing this. So instead of just pouring dirt on top of the grass and expecting the grass to grow back in over this large area, I'm going to show you a better method today. Instead of pouring the dirt on top, I'm actually going to remove the top layer of grass, kind of like they would cut sod. And then I'm going to fill in the hole and then replace the sod on top. So here I'm just cutting the perimeter of the hole by going around with my spade shovel. And now you can see that I'm slicing across the middle because it's such a large area, I won't be able to lift the sod as one whole piece. So I'm going to cut it in fourths. You'll see after I cut the sod in fourths, I then put the spade under it and lift it up to release the roots from the dirt underneath what I'm cutting as sod. And now I'm going to use my hands to lift each of my fourth sections out of the way and lay them right next to the hole so that I can just flip them back in when I'm done. Now that I have all the existing grass out of the way, I'm going to dump in a bag of topsoil that I purchased. And this is just cheap topsoil from a big box store. I probably at this point should have added a second bag of topsoil. I didn't realize how deep the hole was before I started digging. And now I'm just using my feet to pack it down as good as possible after mixing it in with the regular dirt from the ground. And then my next step is to fold all of the sod pieces back in. You'll see though they're a little bit raised at this point, and I'm gonna pack them down with my feet. And then I will start to water them in. And over time, it's going to sink down to be level with the ground around it as the soil that I added gets compacted. This is the spot that I repaired by lifting it and putting the topsoil in after about 2 months. So you can barely even tell where the spot was, and I can probably only tell because I knew exactly where it happened. But you can see it's a very effective way of filling a low spot in your yard. If you found this video helpful, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions about the process, be sure to leave them in the comments section below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Click any of the videos showing on the screen now, and they should open right up on your device. I hope you guys have a great day.